Yo, because it's Thursday and we want to get inspired. We want to get anybody inspired. And it's Freestyle Thursday, and it's a great day in America. Government shutdown. Great day for libertarians. Always a bull market somewhere. And I'm feeling it, feeling it, feeling it. Can't fake the funk if you smoke the skunk. Bong hit Carmine's pit bulls. I punk myself in the panic. You just can't stand it like an arm and a hand and a hammer, and it's going in your chest and your bones and you can't even think. And there's Steve Collins and mushrooms in Lake Geneva, and you think I can't go into the Porsche. He drives too fast and the way he takes turns on the wheel makes my fast heart rate go faster. B button please, it's a glitch every day in the Shot City, but I don't give a fuck. I was drafted for the challenge, so put me in the fucking game, coach. Let me challenge any remaining hater or obstacle. Skill, just please, man, give me a fucking popsicle. I don't need a pat back, that just rhymes. Give me a crew, man, and one fucking rhyme. Give me JQ, give me Joey Altman, bag of donuts. Give me a couple gangsters, man, I won't fucking own it. I'll know it, and I'll play my role, and I'll learn the business, and I'll work hard. Yo, man, I'm gonna show you what a roll is. 7 and 11, you can take me to them parties. Man, I'll knock some steps in, I'll do a Michael Jackson, whatever, man. Spin on my head, call JQ, damn, have Pete, nice 65 convertible. What is that shit, Corvette? Don't know, but you was built for that show. Put me back, Steve, I think about you every day, and I can't believe you came in my sleep and we drove to Quail Run. Have some bad news for you, son. JQ was there, Pete Nice was there. He said we should go for a walk, and he put his hand on your shoulder. I couldn't talk, Pete fucking couldn't talk. And my mom took a Klonopin, gave me Ativan, cause she knows we be raised on pills, man. Mitigate them thrills, gives me the chills every time on this fucking verse. But I gotta do it right now, cause it's therapy and it still fucking hurts. And I don't know why, can't say too much on this, but I like to try what you know how I feel. So fuck A and B, C, D for real. And you know who you are, I ain't gotta put it out there. You know who the family is. On the derriere that I sit, just sit and maybe fucking think. Much love to Bobby Pink, let in my sleep. Steve come and visit me, you visit JQ. He knew it was a dream, better said just enjoy it, fool. You got him right back. If it's 2 minutes, you didn't have it, yeah, we all know that. So 5 elements, plain still bring me back. It never gets old, man. I got a sack and the nuts and the keys, and he's got a pair too. And we kinda bash heads sometimes, it's grew. Some ask G, he tried to mitigate. Funniest phone call that he wish he had a call. Waiting wouldn't answer nothing for nobody just to get out of that call. Man, he take fucking anybody, and that's real. And I put it down, I already feel better in the ground. I'm feeling in my feet. Mama always said, believe in their feet, believe in the face that you see in the mirror. It's getting real clearer. Steve, stay with me just a little nearer for a more couple months, cause I'm almost there. Trying to shake what brought you down. Man, when I stare in the mirror, still sometimes I know I do better, but you watching with Santa, Uncle Clayton, and cheddar cheese. This spirit that I got from you, that's what I call currency. In a world where you're thinking through it in a different way, bringing fucking merch products, I'm gonna believe in it and I'm gonna pray for something. Anybody, just keep watching me, my angel. Much love to that Porsche 911. Everybody got him. Why am I gonna get that, Steve? You made me laugh. Everybody, man, most loyal. Oh. Shot Town, Boston. Steve, stay with us just a little bit longer.